here, and so my name is Little Karomi. So you have to count because everybody's hiding right now. So make sure you find them. 1, 2, Panda, hide. Okay. Hey, where are you in your spot? I guess they're behind him. Okay, so Sprinkles is already hiding. Bumblebee is hiding too. The twins are hiding. Fluffy and Donut is right over here. The twins are hiding. So is everybody? Okay, everybody's hiding. Okay, time's up. Okay, time up. Hi guys, can you tell me where is everybody? Somebody! I know somebody will hide at the blanket. I found you, Donna. Oh man. Found you too, Fluffy. Oh man. You're going over there. Wait, what's that big thing behind me? Guys, tell me in the comments where on earth is literally Panda? Like, bruh. Okay, I'm going to look for Sparkle. Who's that big in front of there? Sparkles, I found you. Oh man, how are you so good? I don't know. Oh bro. Did I put on the light? Oh, I think so. No, I didn't put on the light. Okay. It's just shiny. Oh, okay. Sorry guys, there was actually something wrong with the light. So, now tell me in the comments, where is Panda? And then behind you. Now this. Wait. Behind me? Okay. Panda. I'll find you all the time. Good hiding spot. Yeah, I know, right? Well, I'm the winner.